Hello friends, it's Kyle from Wyze. We use the internet for literally everything. Cat videos, deep dives on black holes, hate-liking travel pics from your ex, ignoring multi-level marketing invites from your high school pals. Literally everything. Having just good internet is not good enough. You need great internet. You need reliable internet. And you need internet that is built for the future. And the future is now with Wyze Mesh Router Pro, the Wi-Fi 6E mesh router that's built for the smart home of today and tomorrow. Today we're going to unbox the 2-pack of Wyze Mesh Router Pro and tell you all about it. The first thing you're going to find is the quick start guide. Here is Wyze Mesh Router Pro. The dark night has arrived. Also in the box is an Ethernet cable, the power adapter. Wyze Mesh Router Pro is a tri-band 6E mesh router. And what that means is that there are 3 different frequencies that devices can connect to. Where traditional routers may have only 1 or 2 frequencies, this bad boy has 3. It has a 2.4 gigahertz network, a 5 gigahertz network, and an uncongested, beautiful 6 gigahertz network. It also combines OFDMA, MUMIMO, and beamforming technologies to create a lightning-fast, low-latency, high-capacity data rate network. Wyze Mesh Router Pro is also backwards compatible to all legacy Wi-Fi standards, so you won't have to worry about whether or not your device is going to be able to connect or not. Now, what is 6E and why is it better? Well, Wi-Fi 6E unlocks the uncongested 6 gigahertz spectrum. And because only the latest technology communicates on the 6 gigahertz network, there are a lot less devices communicating on that spectrum. So they're able to move and communicate faster than ever. For example, Wyze Mesh Router Pro can generate Wi-Fi speeds of 5.4 total gigabits per second over Wi-Fi, and up to 1.2 gigabits per second to a single 6E client. That's faster than a wired gigabit, if you're paying attention. Every single Wyze Mesh Router Pro has 2 Ethernet backhauls, which can provide lightning internet speeds to other devices in your home, even if you don't have any 6E clients. As devices in our home require greater and greater internet speeds and are capable of greater internet speeds, you'll be rest assured that you are future-proofed against any advances because of the Wi-Fi 6E technology that is in Wyze Mesh Router Pro. Now let's cover some additional important statistics. Each Wyze Mesh Router Pro node can cover up to 2,000 square feet. That means that every 2-pack can cover up to 4,000 square feet. And if those numbers aren't enough for you and your home and your situation, well, just keep on adding a node until you have adequate coverage for your space. And if you need 3, 4, 5 of these, can I come hang out at your house? It sounds pretty awesome. Now, I admittedly am not an expert in the networking game, but I do understand these terms. If you are the type that likes to stream HD video, or you're constantly online and you're gaming, or you're handling Zoom meetings in your house, you want Wyze Mesh Router Pro. This is the system that will easily handle multiple heavy internet use activities in your house. We partnered with Qualcomm to include the Qualcomm Immersive Home 316 platform. That is a chipset that is very fancy, very fast, and very powerful that's included in every single Wyze Mesh Router Pro. This chipset is designed for high processing capacity, and it also acts as a hardware accelerator. I don't know about you, but if that's good enough for Qualcomm, it's good enough for me. It's good as for me in my house, we want the Qualcomm. Now, if you're not thoroughly impressed by the hardware and all of the features that I've explained, let's talk about what you're going to get in the Wyze app. We've partnered with internet security experts FireDome to provide every Wyze Mesh Router user with free cyber threat prevention. And the great thing is, this feature doesn't require any configuration. It's auto-enabled and it just runs. This also means that every device that's connected to the internet through the Wyze Mesh routers are protected using this feature. In the Wyze app, you will get a detailed report of all the attacks that were detected, prevented, and thwarted, so that you and your family will have the ultimate peace of mind. Now, we have another video that walks you through how to set up Wyze Mesh Router, and Wyze Mesh Router Pro follows the same steps, and you can find that video right here. But I want to mention one more thing. These mesh routers do something that's pretty incredible. They will automatically optimize their coverage based off of the environment that they're set up in. They will automatically optimize their coverage, capacity, and performance. Wyze Mesh Router will automatically update its radio and frequency settings based off of the network conditions, and it will automatically update the radio signal strength, channel width, and channel selection to optimize for the best performance possible. A manual and custom configuration of your mesh routers is possible, but it may lead to suboptimal performance. That is, unless you're a total expert and you've gone to a super fancy school and studied all of the ins and outs of networking. And that's why we've built some things that will automatically optimize the performance of your mesh routers without any guesswork, without any diving into the details. So to recap, with Wyze Mesh Router Pro, you're going to get more speed. Enjoy internet speeds up to 2.5 gigabits per second. You're going to get more safety. Not only does it come with active threat prevention that you will get a detailed report of in the Wyze app, but it also comes with parental controls. You're going to get more power with that immersive home chipset from Qualcomm, and you're going to get more coverage. Say goodbye to those dead spots with up to 2,000 square feet of coverage per node. And with 2 Ethernet ports on the back of every single Mesh Router Pro, you'll be able to extend high internet speeds to parts of your house that don't have an active internet port. Look, I could go on and on and on about all the great features about Wyze Mesh Router Pro. The 1 gigabit of RAM for higher throughput, the fact that we have the multi-directional antennas on the inside so that your mesh router doesn't look like a giant spider on your table. But the bottom line is that we designed a product that is built for the internet of today and tomorrow, because that's what we think you deserve. And that's why we built it. We'll see you next time. Buffer, 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 single, double, triple buffer. If you have that kind of problem, then your internet sucks. But with Wyze Mesh Router, you can have better internet the way you want it. It rules.